In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Monday.com. We'll walk through creating your account, getting oriented on the dashboard, and laying the groundwork with workspaces so you're ready to organize projects right away. Start by opening your browser and going to Monday.com. On the home page, look for the Get Started button and click it. This begins the sign-up flow and takes you to the account creation screen. Here, you can continue with Google to connect an existing Google account, which is quick and secure. If you prefer, you can type in your email address instead. Using a work email can make it easier to invite teammates later, but either option works. Once you've chosen your sign-in method, click Continue and follow the on-screen prompts. In a moment, you'll land inside your new Monday.com environment. To get your bearings, click Home. This is your main hub for updates, notifications, and high-level navigation. From here, move into My Work. This view pulls together tasks and items assigned to you across the account so you can see what needs attention without hunting through multiple boards. Within My Work, you'll also see the AI Note Taker option. Give it a click to explore how it can capture and summarize meeting notes for you. It's a helpful way to keep action items and context organized, especially if you're collaborating across different teams or projects. Next, let's set up your structure with workspaces. Head to Workspaces to group related boards, docs, and assets under one roof. Click Add Workspace to create a dedicated space for a team, client, or initiative. A clear descriptive name will make it easier for others to find what they need later. You can refine privacy and membership settings as you go, depending on who should have access. Once your workspace exists, look for the small plus sign next to it. Click that to start building inside the workspace. From here, you can add new items such as a project, a portfolio, a board, and more. Boards are the backbone of Monday.com, where you'll track tasks, owners, statuses, and timelines. Projects can serve as focus containers for a single initiative, while portfolios can group multiple projects to give you a broader, cross-project view. Choose what fits your workflow and start with a simple board if you're unsure. You can always expand with additional boards or documentation later. And that's your initial setup. You've created your account, reviewed Home and My Work, explored AI Note Taker, and built your first workspace with the tools you need inside. You're now ready to tailor boards and views to match how your team works.